Today, I'm going to show you how to make this easy number flashcards. To make your own, you need old paint chips, a hole punch, and book rings. Start by lining up the paint chips and punching a hole in the top left-hand corner. Add a book ring to attach your paint chips together. Add different dots to represent numbers on each paint chip. Now, have your children decide from the choices below which number is shown above. This helps with counting and number recognition. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.